Annyeonghaseyo. Today is Leah Jin's birthday and this is her birthday preparations. And pancit, spaghetti, lumpia, chicken joy, hot dogs, lumpia, chicken calderita, and the drinks. And the cake. Happy 12th birthday, Leah Jin from handle name. Okay, Leah Jin, what will you say?
handle name, annyeonghaseyo, 감사합니다.
Okay. Are you happy? Huh, Leah Jin?
Yes.
Very happy. Study hard, Leah Jin, ha? Fighting. Okay, what will you say?
handle name, annyeonghaseyo, 감사합니다.
Okay, for my birthday celebration.
For our birthday celebration.